What's up YouTube? I just want to tell you, you are in for a treat. Today is going to be a special vlog, as we are not going to only have a day in the life of Francesca and I. We are going to go way more than that. I know that some of you have problems with human interaction, and I totally get that. You're going to see how I normally behave, and then I'm going to do obvious mistakes on purpose. Not only I'm going to do with people I just meet, I'm also going to do it with crushes, yes. And I'm going to show you exactly with the first one what not to do, and when the last one what to do. Hello everyone, it is 10:45 and I just woke up. Shit, I just poured some tea on my sheets. Great. This is not drying up, whatever. Is that a spot on my eye? Goodness, I like to ignore my defects. If people don't like me because I have spots, then they ain't my friends. I love you. And now I'm going to go. It's a beautiful blue sky. I'm on the road, and guess who?
I just finished my exams.
Yes!
I'm ready to kill myself.
This is Ralph, everyone. What do you study?
I study astrophysics.
How was your exams? Okay, and that was it for today's interview. I hope you enjoyed it. This part, you see everyone. Buon anno.
Anche a te.
Mwah. Mwah. Massive hug. Yay.
Guys, I'm gonna go because I have an exam.
Good luck.
Man.
Thank you so much.
Good luck, dude.
See you soon.
See you later.
You'll smash it.
That's interesting. Bye.
Bye.
I'm gonna do a house party.
House party. Yes. Guys, do you remember AJ?
Oh, is this the vlog? Hey, how we doing?
And Guy.
I took a sandwich.
And water.
Yeah, and a water.
Guys,
brownie.
this is, and a brownie. Oh my god, this is so
Living life on the
interesting.
edge.
Happy New Year!
How do you feel that you're famous right now because I'm in your video?
Oh my god, I feel so good. Thank you. Guy, don't you know him? He's famous.
Yeah. And now you're famous.
And now I'm famous thanks to him. Do you want to sit down? Where do you want to go? Look, it's sunny in January. Isn't that beautiful?
Forgot that.
Okay. Sun. 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 Yay, I can feel the sun on my fingers. Look, a seagull. As you can see, I'm trying to like show you around so you can get a gist of like Exeter and how it is. I've been here literally an hour and I haven't done any work, and that is because I keep bumping into people. So if you come to Exeter and you want to go study in the forum during exam time, just know that everyone is willing and wants to procrastinate. Therefore, it's a very dangerous place to be. Do not come here at lunchtime, just saying. This Costa where the sun is. I need it actually. I'm gonna go to Costa. No, I have to study. Okay, let's go study. I'm doing Pomodoro technique on a break, 5 minutes. You see? Oh, we're all going which way? Okay, that way.
On marchait le long de la mer et ce petit pont, en face celui-là, un oiseau comme ça, lui a piqué son pied.
Anneli, son temps les gars, tu m'avais déjà raconté. T'es traumatisé depuis.
Bon, arrêtez.
He's too cute to be on camera. Paparazzi, you know?
Là par contre, va voir qu'il a perdu au
Non, non, t'inquiète, t'inquiète, ça c'est juste pour YouTube.
Pardon.
T'inquiète, je rigole, je rigole.
Sérieux?
Now she's got dirt on me.
No, 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 just good things. How could this be dirty if you're so beautiful? That sounded super weird. I did not mean it that way. Okay, hi.
You know,
Elle va se taper des barres genre sur son ordinateur.
Good already. Et c'est... Hi, Joseph. Nice to meet you. Yay! New friend. I'm just kidding. What do you study?
Mathematics.
Ah, maths. Oula, je suis désolée.
You might have to switch it off now.
I'm sorry. Pierre, tu vas adorer ce podcast quand tu auras 40 ans avec des enfants. Je veux dire, tu te rappelles quand Pierre était beau, il avait encore tous ses cheveux? Ça, c'était ton père. Tu vois? And this is the farm at night, where all the magic happens. N'est-ce pas?
Tout à fait d'accord.
Oh là là.
Guess who's back in town? As always, making an appearance. Look, focus on this. We're doing a tutorial here. Fran needs to learn how to edit.
Okay. So we all have that guy or girl that we really like and we really would like to go out with. Sometimes you need to take the matter in your own hand, and hopefully with these 2 examples I showed you how to do it and how not to do it. What we want to do is find out the passion of the guys and go with that. This was my actual method that I used a year and a half ago to approach Hugh, and as you can see it worked, because to this day we still are in contact, and I'm not going to say anything else. And you know, in the process, maybe you found something you love doing, because actually videography kind of stuck with me. So it's weird how things turn out sometimes. However, this said, I'm doing all this in a jokey way. Don't take me too seriously. The best way to have a guide that's like really perfect for you and that you will enjoy a lot and that is like great is to have a life which is fun and like attractive. That's when the guy's gonna stay. Because when a girl is passionate about what she does, she's having fun with it, she's creative, she's really has high energy, you will find yourself independent because you have that backbone, that thing that really like keeps you together, and guys will actually become a bonus and not the center of your attention all the freaking time. Okay, enough chit chat now. I really have to get ready for Cavern. I'm going out tonight. I will show you a bit of footage and then I will say you night night. Bye. Hey guys, I just came back. Today was really a good night. Really enjoyed the music and the people there. Please let me know if you like this vlog. Please let me know what you want to see more of. Thank you so much for supporting me. I'm so grateful for your likes. They help more than you imagine. Subscribe if you want to see more of this kind of like uni lifestyle. And I will see you in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
I'm trying to put you in the worst mood. P1 cleaner than your church shoes.